Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this brand new Range Rover Sport. This vehicle comes with a 3-litre diesel engine pushing out 350 bhp. The vehicle comes with an automatic transmission, delivering power to all four wheels thanks to its 4-wheel drive system. This example comes finished in the colour Ostuni Pearl White. The vehicle features a set of LED headlamps with signature LED daytime driving lights, as well as a set of front parking sensors along with a front camera. The Range Rover sits on a set of 23-inch 5 split-spoke alloy wheels, coming in a lovely gloss black finish. Towards the rear of the vehicle we have a powered tailgate. Across the tailgate we'll find some Range Rover badging along with a rear view reversing camera. The vehicle also comes with a deployable towbar. Opening up the powered tailgate and taking a look into the boot space of the vehicle, a very large amount of storage space here with a retractable parcel shelf. Over on the right hand side we have the buttons to release the towbar as well as lower the suspension. Taking a look into the rear passenger area, we'll find a 3-seater passenger bench finished in the ebony Windsor leather. In the centre of the footwell we'll have some rear heater controls as well as some charging points. All the seats in the vehicle come finished in the Windsor leather, finished in an ebony colour. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system comes with inbuilt navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find a handsome gear selector, 2 cup holders as well as an armrest with some under armrest storage. The driver also has access to a leather trimmed multifunction steering wheel with a heated function as well as a digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this brand new Range Rover Sport. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.